Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice. I was out on the crankbait.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're in Walmart. We're doing a $20 fishing challenge. We're not including rods because we already have rods and we don't need any more. So let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. I'm with my buddy Logan. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He won.
Looks like I won.
All right, so he won. What's your strategy, Logan? What's your strat?
I'm not gonna tell you. You'll figure it out once I pick myself.
All right.
What are these?
We got $20 each.
5-incher for $5. Okay.
Show the camera. Show the camera. All right, they're Guggen baits. Pretty good. Pretty good.
So we got soft plastics. I'm thinking it's gonna be. I think we're gonna do top water.
Guys, the weather outside right now is rainy and not cold, but not warm. You know.
They don't have my favorite frog.
You know, man, Logan, I think you should use your $11 to get us a net.
No. Get yourself a net now.
Oh, all right. I'm not landing any of your fish.
4-pack. How much is
4-pack of frogs?
I don't know if it's
for $5. What the hell?
Is this $5? Or no, this is 19.
Oh yeah, that one's 19. Look.
I'm too broke for that one.
But where is it? Yeah, because we only got $20.
This
is what he was looking at.
Bro.
$20 for a freaking frog.
It's $7 for one.
No, for 4.
Right here. I mean, these Ozark ones don't even work.
I mean, they do. They're just
really.
not as good.
They fill up with water hella quick. Maybe. Hold on. Let me see. I might get a rooster tail.
Rooster tail's good. It's a very what's the word? Oh, I was watching a video earlier with these things. They're real fish. They smell like crap. The clarity is all right. It's like brown. She's never fished where we're going, so.
What colors are we thinking?
What colors are we thinking? I don't know, man. It is not sunny out at all. I will tell you that.
So I think we'll get this one right here.
Here, show the camera. So he's gonna go with the rooster tail. He actually lost a ton of these at our last fishing trip.
We don't gotta be talking how much money I lose. If that's $8.
All right, you're at 8. Here, pull up your phone for a calculator. So you know.
I can just do it in my head.
Well, you can't go over the budget.
I'm not that special.
You can't go over the budget.
What kind of colors are these?
Oh, this. I'm gonna tell you this honestly. This is not a good for today. Because it's not sunny out.
I did lose mine. That's kind
of yeah. Oh my god, I love these things. They're jigs.
Wait, if I buy something,
$6.
Are you gonna buy the same stuff as me, or make a rule where you can't buy the same stuff as me?
I'm not gonna make a rule that we can't buy the same stuff, but I'm just gonna tell you this: I'm not gonna get any of the stuffs you already have.
Okay. So it's gonna be kind of windy, right?
I'll tell you this: it's windy and there's a lot of weeds at this lake.
Weeds. I know. I want to do top water, but the frogs are like on my budget.
I mean, a frog might be worth it. There's a lot of lily pads. Maybe you go with.
What kind of frog is? Ozarks, I'm not gonna know.
Yo, this is like the best frog ever. I've caught so many fish on this. I'm just kidding.
I want my favorite frog personally is a Strike King frog.
Yeah, I love Strike King too. I mean the Booyah. You can't go wrong with these.
$7. So that's 8 plus 7. What's
15.
15.
Okay, so he's at 15. He needs 5 more. Logan, I'm gonna help you out here. You need terminal tackle. You almost forget about that?
No, I didn't forget. I was hoping you wouldn't remember though. Terminal tackle's over here, I believe.
Yeah, these things are lifesavers. They're $1 a thing. A spinner.
I know. I might get one.
Yeah, let's see what they have for terminal tackle. All right.
What is too special? Where's the terminal tackle?
We'll get back to you once we find the terminal tackle. See ya. All right, we're back. We found the terminal tackle.
So
it took us a while, even though it's like right here.
I'm gonna need hooks, basically. That's about it.
So, you're gonna need hooks. And what about weights? I don't think those sink.
They sink.
Okay.
A little slowly. But...
Yeah. That's true. The fish won't be that active. All right, what hooks you got?
The 3.
Nice. All right, so how much are those though?
Well, this is like 15. This was like $3, so that's like
18.
18.
And you can't go wrong with 2 spinners.
I think we'll get white.
White.
I'm gonna do a black.
A black one.
Spinner.
Here, let me see. That's what it looks like. I love running these things.
chatter.
And a chatterdonk.
It's a chatterbait. What are you yapping about?
Oh, this is a buzzbait, not a chatterbait.
Oh, same thing.
Yeah, that one's gonna stay near the top though.
I know.
Okay.
I'm not special.
All right, guys. Now it's my turn, so we'll flip you around. All right, guys. Now it's my turn. So you got the calculator up because I'm a little slow.
Just a little bit.
All right. So I know this lake really well, so I'm gonna go get some Senkos.
Yes. You literally said you weren't gonna get any. I literally got some.
Not those Senkos. I have a different type of
Oh
Senko.
yeah. Let me guess. The freaking like Zoom or whatever.
I love Zoom. Actually,
I have some in my tackle box currently.
yeah, but we can't use them.
Why not?
Well, while we're
They
there,
don't
because
have
we have the fishing challenge.
You can't really go wrong with Yamamoto.
Yeah, but they're expensive. I think I'm gonna have to go with Yum.
Yum.
What color did you get? Black and.
I got watermelon. Or wait, I got whatever. I can't check. I have too much stuff in my hand.
All right. Oh crap. All right. I'm gonna go with the dingers, like
What?
those. The Yum dingers. That's what they call them. Those are $3.96. So $3.96.
So you should get one of the mystery boxes.
That's 18 though. That's going me over.
Want to get a net for us?
No,
Don't
not
you have
really.
a net?
Yeah, but not with me.
Oh, get the toenail clippers. Yo, the toenail clippers for. You should get the toenail clippers for.
They look like toenail clippers.
Alright. I literally clipped my toes with something.
These. So I'm gonna go with those. I'm gonna grab a spinner. And
Okay.
so I'm gonna get.
There is tax. Are we counting taxes?
There's no taxes here.
Yes, there is.
No, not New Hampshire. There's no sales tax in New Hampshire.
Oh, I forgot. I'm a little special. Okay.
So I'm gonna grab
The white one?
not the white one, the black and yellow.
Okay, so we're. Oh, never mind.
You have black.
We're copying, but I'm just gonna
So the black and yellow
that might
spinner,
be a good color actually.
and then I need to find a crankbait.
You literally
Logan.
told me not to get a crankbait.
No, I didn't.
You said it wouldn't work. Good. Oh my God, Josh.
So that's
I was
$4.96.
actually gonna get a crankbait. Oh.
Logan, make sure you're
I'm recording. Okay, settle down. Dipsqueak.
and then
Crankbaits are over here.
no, not those. Those are lipless. I want a diver.
Diver.
$6.99. So that's 3 or 4, 5.
You should get that mini one. It's all the way back there.
That one? Nah. Here, now let's hit the terminal tackle area. I might
What's your
go.
budget at right now?
I don't fully know.
Okay.
I might have to take stuff off when I get over there. All right, so I'm gonna get some of these. They're like $3.
You're gonna get the 5? Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what to do and what not to do. But
Where are the smaller ones? Do you know?
you gotta find them out. You gotta find it out.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, not those
I'm not
ones.
gonna tell you where they are.
Mm,
Are you gonna get a wait for the Senkos or no?
yeah, I am. I'm gonna go wait. You know what? Let's go 5. Those fish are aggressive enough that they'll eat it. 5s. Let me get some weights. Where are they?
You could get these ones. These ones are pretty cheap and there's a lot of them.
Yeah, but then you could use them too. So I'm gonna go no.
I'm gonna steal some for you anyway. Possibly. I can hook. Oh, I'm definitely gonna steal some for you so I can get a Texas rig going on.
Oh, right here. These are what I was looking for. These are awesome. Below it. All right, now let's hit over here one more time. I'm gonna get one. I don't want to get soft plastics because at the end of this, I have so many soft plastics. You know what? How about this? If this video can get up to 100 comments, I will put them all on a spinning wheel, and I will pick one to give away what I have left after this day, or not what I have left, but some of the stuff in it.
Or one note, you should give away some of your own soft plastics that you make.
And I'll include some of my own soft plastics. Good call. Oh, I'm gonna grab a jig, and I'm gonna grab.
$6.
No, it's 2.
No.
Oh, it is 6. And then a trailer for the jig, and then I'm
You
good.
don't have that much money.
I might just have to take it off. Let's
I
go
don't really
with
have
the.
a trailer, so I'm just gonna have to run like a wacky rig.
I'm gonna grab a rage tail. I love these things. They're
Rage tail?
curls.
Yep.
All right, that's it. We'll see you at checkout. All right, so we're at the checkout. We're gonna start checking out. Logan's got his frog.
Oh, goddamn. I forgot that's like most of your budget.
All right, he's already at $11. Damn.
But then I got cheap stuff.
Yeah.
That was the most expensive.
All right,
Oh,
he's at
gosh.
16. He might go
No,
over.
but these are only like $1.
Yeah, but these are 3 itself.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this. Oh my god.
Here, how about you scan this one first? Because you're at 21. You're gonna have to go with none of these,
Okay,
or choose something that you
still-
don't want.
It's fine. I'll still pay for them.
Okay, they just won't be in the thing. Actually, you know what? We're gonna let Logan go over by a little bit.
I haven't fished
So
here. I haven't fished here.
he hasn't fished here, so I gotta give him that advantage. He's got.
Even an advantage. Okay, how do I put this there?
He's gonna get $22 to do it. So let's check out.
And then,
All right.
where's
Now
the
see you once
cash?
it's my turn. All right, now it's my turn. So let's scan this. That's $6 itself. That's a lot.
$6 for that. What's that? Your crank rate?
All right, then we got this thing. It's 13. Holy cow! I might be
You
fried.
still got a lot of stuff. Yeah, you're definitely gonna be like a lot over, Josh.
All right, I'm at 16 now. All right, now give me the more
Yeah,
important
this
thing.
one's like $6.
Oh yeah, so let's just leave that there. I'm not even gonna scan that. Oh wait, hold up. Let me remove the rage crawls. And actually, no, I'm fine. Never mind, because I can just fish those without that. How do I even scan this? Oh, it's right there. All right, so now I'm at
Yeah, you
17.
can fish them on like a spinning reel, like a chatterbait. Or the
All right.
The yums are.
I'm gonna have to go with the yums. Fudge. All right.
No,
Okay. It's all right. I have 21, but Logan's gonna cover me up.
I'm not a brokey like you. And then we'll see you when we're back.
All right, guys, we just made it to the water. We are currently cutting off our old stuff on our rods and tying on our new stuff. We did bring our tackle box because there's some essential stuff in there that we might need, like line, scales,
Wait, yeah.
pliers, and I mean, we might want to fish after the video, you know. But I just noticed that we haven't told you what our competition is. So now that we have the lures, that was the first part of the competition. We're gonna be doing a who can catch the biggest fish, who can catch the most fish, and who can catch the most species. Okay, on those three things. And if you win that, then like if you win the most of those, you win overall. So after we finish doing all that,
Just drop my hook down the
we'll get you back on the thing. Logan just dropped his hook through the dock. So see ya.
Maybe I shouldn't.
Okay,
cast it that
so
way.
we have a problem. I kind of tied on Logan's thing, and I tied it on well. I think his braid was either like
No, it wasn't my
something
braid.
screwed up. But like when he cast it, it stopped at some point and shot out that way, and it kind of came off. So we're gonna let him choose a frog from his tackle box and use it. But we think the wind is gonna let it come back. Yeah, it's coming back our way already. So, but for now he's gonna just use
Striking.
his Strike King frog, because that was my fault.
Let me get your pliers.
We're actually gonna get to fishing though. Obviously, all of this isn't gonna go in, but if we catch a fish, it will go in, and you'll be able to see the hook set. So we're just gonna stay recording while we do it. Hopefully, Logan's frog will come back. So right now I have rigged up Texas rig, Senko, and then on my bait caster I have that. So let's get to casting. I think I'm gonna fish the lily pads first off.
Texas rig?
See if I can get anything right
That
off the bat.
Texas rig looks not very appetizing. Oh my god, the wind.
Yo, your frog's almost back already. Dude, the wind just blew the Senko like away.
Yeah, you might want to cast the other way.
Yeah, but there's not as much lily pads.
We can always go to the bank and frog fish.
Yo, your frog's almost back.
But then again, it's really cold, so I'm not sure. Like, I'm just not gonna tie anything. I'm gonna tie on something else for now.
What?
I'm gonna tie something else on the good old bait caster. I don't know what.
Alright. Find something from your bag though.
Or maybe nothing. Actually, I'm just not gonna use it for now.
Oh my god, I actually just got a bite. Like something bubbled over. I'm not lying. Like, that's like the second cast. First real cast, you know? Yo, the wind is really screwing me up though. Logan, look how close your frog is now.
Damn.
Alright, give it a cast this way, across the bank, you know? I kind of it's getting close to the time where there's not going to be as much bank fish and stuff. All right, let me give the crankbait a toss.
My frog's right there.
Where is it? Oh yeah, I'll grab it. Look how close this frog is, and look how quick it came.
Okay, I'll tie it on this time. I'm not sure if I trust you.
No, I feel like I literally tied it on how I normally tied on, with a fishing, like an actual fishing knot. Sorry for that cut off a second.
Fishing knot. I just tie it like it's shoelaces.
Oh, that is not how you're supposed to tie it.
I'm joking.
Got it. So now he cannot use his Strike King. He can only use this because we got it back.
What are we doing?
Fishing tournaments.
Oh, we are.
I already told you about that. So hopefully those go well. Let us know if you want one.
Oh, I got
or want to see that
from that cast.
Yeah, dude, it is so windy out. One time I didn't catch any fish one day and was calling my mom saying, "Hey, can you pick me up?" And like literally while I was on the phone, I took a cast and caught a fish. And I was like, "Never mind."
I'm guessing that was here because you live so close.
Yeah. We have scales for who can catch the biggest fish and stuff, but later,
Josh,
stay tuned because
Josh, this is how a real man ties on a frog.
And then watch it come off.
It's not gonna come off. That was a goofy all cast.
So later in the video, stay tuned because we're gonna do a spin the wheel, and there'll be punishments, or not punishments, but downgrades and like stuff that'll hurt you in the challenge, and then the stuff that'll help you. So stay tuned because Logan might end up jumping in the water.
No, bro, I'm really freezing my butt off.
Yeah, I've caught a lot of fish here, just slowly reeling a Senko in.
But this is not a Senko. This is a Texas rig.
No, that is a Senko.
Well, I thought you meant like a wacky rig.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice. Was that on the crankbait?
Yeah, on the crankbait.
First one of the day.
Little largy, first one of the day.
You gotta weigh it. Hold up.
Grab my scale.
Why not my scale, bud?
Fudge. It hit my finger.
You literally said I'm just gonna crank it. That pisses me off, bro.
It's a nice one. Not bad for the first one of the day. Let's get it on the scale.
I'll skip mine because mine's right here.
No, mine will be the official one because it's from Bass Pro.
Bro, it doesn't matter. It's a scale.
Well, just in case, like,
Josh, look,
they're a little different.
It's literally gonna measure the same.
Fine. Okay. Is it on and ready?
Oh my god, you don't know how to do it. You didn't put it on good. It's like. Ooh. Yeah, Josh, you didn't put it on, you idiot. Oh my god, this is how we do it.
Can you stop flopping everywhere?
You grab it.
Sorry, guys. Boom. Logan, can you get your hand out of the camera?
Bro, I'm okay. I'm not. Let me. And it's not on good, Josh. Let go. Let me. Okay, want to open this? Yep. We can just go right in there.
Point. Here, freaking tab. All right, so you can't really see it, but it's 0.22. So 0.22 is the total weigh-in. So I'm in the board right here, up in the corner, up in the up in the corner, like right there. You'll see Josh and my total fish, the biggest fish and the most species right now because I caught one fish. So good fish for the first one of the day. Give him a nice release. See if he'll jump for us.
He's not gonna jump for you.
Aw, dang it. He just swam right down. But, boom. First fish today, so it's not going to be a boring video because we actually caught something.
What is wrong with this?
See if I can get another one on the board. Maybe a pickerel to give me most two species, you know?
I could catch myself a bluegill right now, but I'm not. Yo, what is wrong with this?
Logan, if we could do the spin the wheel, I mean, you could have the choice to pick a bait from my tackle box. And I got some good crankbaits in there that I've gotten some pretty good fish. Alright guys, I made the thing. That's the spin a wheel. So, ready Logan? Look so that you know what if it actually happens. We're gonna hit the spin the wheel. Ready? Spin. Give a lure from your bag to the other person.
Wait, who gets that? You or me?
And then let's spin it with our names on there to see who has to do that. Like, who has to give it away.
Or how about you just make 2 of those and put names? Oh my god, you don't know how to make this. Where should I put all this extra line?
Alright,
Why is it
so now
actually
that's Josh and Logan on that. So let's spin that. Logan.
So I can pick one from you?
No, you have to take one from your bag and give it to me. And if it could be like one soft plastic if you want. Alright, let's see what you want to give Logan.
Oh god.
What do you got in there?
I think.
Want to give me a dinger? Or your spinner. I don't think you're gonna use your spinner, are you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my free blue key. My blue key.
Oh no, not that. The like here, put this in there before it gets rained on. Yours isn't actually waterproof.
It's water resistant.
Yeah.
Wherever my frog is.
I'm talking about your big spinner, not that.
Oh, you can have my frog if you want it.
Yeah, I guess I'll take your. You know what? You can keep your. Yeah, I'll take your frog.
Okay, you have to cut it off though. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, just leave it on there for now unless you want to use it.
Okay, I think I'm gonna tie on. Do you think I'm gonna catch anything with this? Like, or do you think I should tie something else?
I personally think you would catch something with that, but it's fine if not.
Yo, Dad, why is thank you, Mr. Sun.
Oh yeah, the sun's coming out. Sort of. Alright, let's see if I can catch another one. I was literally just fishing the lily pads, sort of. Not the actual lily pads, but next to the lily pads.
What are you using exactly?
With the crankbait. So let's see if I can get
Connor,
another
how about we do the wheel thing every time someone catches a fish?
Yeah, we're going to spin the wheel every time someone catches a fish. Guys, if you could, only like 3% of you guys watching the videos actually subscribe. So if you could, please subscribe and like.
No, it's more like 100%.
What?
More like 100% of the people who watch are subscribed because you have no subscribers.
No, they're not.
And no viewers. Wait,
so,
aren't you like about to hit 70?
Yeah, I'm about to hit 70. So one more person subscribes, I'll hit 70. But me and Logan spent $40 combined on this video. So that's actually a little bit more than that because we both went over by like $2.
I had to pay for you.
So, well, you had to pay for my like the $2 I went over. So we spent $40 combined, and that's a lot of money for someone that's not getting paid on YouTube.
You're not getting paid at all. You gotta get a big boy job.
Yeah, I'm not getting paid at all. So, if you guys could subscribe, that would really help. What was I gonna say?
Oh my god, this is the wind. I can't tie anything on.
Let me give it a cast this way. And then I'm gonna move down to that other dock with
wanna
this.
wait for me?
Because I haven't fished down there. Yeah, Logan, you wanna come with?
Yeah. If I can actually tie this.
Bring your frog down. You might actually catch a frog. Yep. Oh my! I had one.
Isn't it your frog though?
What?
Isn't it like your frog though?
If you want, you can give it a few throws.
Throws? What is space?
Oh.
Did you just lose that?
No, I backlashed a little bit. First backlash of the video for me. Logan's had about 800 backlashes.
No. What are you yapping about?
Just 80.
I have like none.
Guys, put down in the comments if you want Logan to be in more videos.
Please say no.
Why, you don't want to lose to me again?
No, you're not even paying me. I'm like...
I will once I start getting paid.
That's like never.
Guys, subscribe so I can start paying Logan.
Yeah, it's just child labor.
You are a child. You're gonna get me banned, bro.
Yeah, child labor.
I'm a child.
Exactly.
It can't be child labor if a child's not paying a different child, bro. At least I don't think.
It's too cold for this.
We're gonna be doing a lot of editing for this video too, so that's a lot of time taken out of my day that I could be doing other stuff
Yeah,
like
you don't even have a life that.
playing guitar or dirt biking or
Yeah, you should.
catching more fish or something.
You should make a guitar video today.
I don't want to post guitar YouTube videos. I make fishing YouTube videos.
You can be like a cowboy dirt bike guitar fisher.
You know what? If Logan catches 5 fish today, which I've never seen Logan catch a fish.
Yes, you have.
I'll make a video, or I'll post a video of me playing guitar. Short, not an actual video.
Yo, it's like the braid is like wet and it's slipping.
It's so hard, yeah.
Like I tied the knot and then just slipped.
Do you want to just use my spinning reel? It doesn't have braid on it.
No.
What?
No, it's fine.
What are you tying on? Yeah, I have a Senko with weight on if you want to use that.
No, it's fine because then it counts as yours.
Oh yeah. All right.
Not like.
I'm gonna move down to the other dock. Logan, hurry up.
Wait for me.
Fine, I'll wait for you.
This is child labor, man. Yo, put down in the comments below.
If you guys like videos like this, please let us know because I really like making videos like this. I think this was really fun. I think Logan enjoys it secretly. Logan, can you put my pliers in the bag so they're not getting rusty?
Your crusty, musty, dusty old pliers.
Yeah, I don't want them to be like yours. I get the nice Bass Pro ones.
So I had the nice whatever their name is. I don't even know.
What?
Well, I had nice pliers too.
Yeah, you have pliers. You have nice-ish pliers. Like they were nice at one point, but
at one point. I would have got.
All right, so we're back. We just talked to the other people that actually apparently were going down there as we were on our way. So it's all right. We'll be over here. So there's a kid, so we don't want him in the YouTube video.
He's like a little. He's a young whippersnapper.
He's a young what?
Whippersnapper.
What is that?
You don't know what a whippersnapper is?
No.
Oh my god, you're so uncultured.
What is a whippersnapper?
I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to find it yourself. Josh, what did you do to your rod when I reel? It's like.
Huh?
Your rod. It's like. Never mind. When I was reeling it in, it was like.
Oh my god! I thought I had one again.
See it again. I don't know. Come on, since we haven't caught a fish in a while, let's do another spin the wheel.
Nah.
Yes.
Only if we catch something. Okay, now we can move back to that dock. All right, let's go quickly.
Oh my god, Josh.
No, so that we can actually fish over there. Come on.
You're making me move around so much.
All right, we'll cut you out so that you don't see the little kid, but we're moving over to the other dock now that they moved. All right, so we're back at the spot.
Move
over on the other dock.
Over here.
Let me get one cast and then you can do it. So it's the first cast with the crankbait over here. Like real cast, you know.
Yeah, totally real cast. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Oh, I thought I had one, but it's a lily pad.
Okay, all
right, good, Logan. I'll just cast this way.
What in the goofy cast was that?
Oh, this crankbait's that's really doing me pretty well.
What kind of crankbait? Is that the Strike King?
What?
Is that like a Strike King?
I feel like it was a Strike King. I think. I might try to put on a Rage Tail. I'm gonna need my spinning reel back for that if I do.
Well, you don't need it back. I'm kind of caught. Okay.
Hopefully we're on the fish. Logan, what are you caught on?
Lily pad.
Don't bend it like that. Just pull it like this.
I know. I got tangled. You're not. Stop touching, because then I can't feel like it's unstuck, buddy.
Just joink it, like, yeah.
Jerk it?
Yeah, basically, just like jerk it back so that it'll,
So why do you keep coming over here?
Well, now I need to be right here so that I can get it.
Yeah, we should have got some live bait. That, like, it would have definitely been a play.
Yeah, they had worms there. Should have got that. I was stuck in the lily pad.
Oh my god, I'm gonna keep getting stuck in the lily pads because the wind's making my line.
Yeah, the wind keeps blowing it somewhere else. I just got a bite.
Wait, didn't-
Yeah, I did.
didn't. Yeah, have you? Oh, I got one.
Actually,
No.
what are you stuck? Just get it unstuck. And then once you get it unstuck, you're going back to your rod.
Why?
So that I can put on a rage tail.
Oh my god, 2 species of the day for me. It's number 2.
Number 2 for Logan. Dude, these lily pads and the wind are not a good mix. Oh, you suck! You hit me in the face with a lily pad.
It's not my fault. I was trying to release the fish and then you got in the way.
I got in the way.
You got in the way of the release. I think.
Go get your rod. I need my rod back.
Then, well, come over because you're gonna put on the rage too.
Okay, one sec. Wait for me.
No, hurry up.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.